So you just watched me model how to use the box method to double distribute. Well, there's another method you can use if you don't really like the box method. The arrow method uses arrows to guide you to multiply the terms and to make sure that you multiply 4 times. I'm going to model right now how to use the arrow method. And actually, a lot of you already know how to use the arrow method because you used it in your 2-week packet. My function, which is a quadratic function, is x plus 3 times x plus 8. And instead of drawing a box, I'm going to draw my arrows. Now I'm double distributing, which means I'm distributing 2 things. The first thing that I'm distributing is the x. So I'm going to draw an arrow to connect the x to the x, and a second arrow to connect the x to the 8. And when I say the word connect, I mean we're going to multiply. And then because I need to do a second distribute, I'm going to draw an arrow from the 3 to the x, and then an arrow from the 3 to the 8. You should have 4 arrows. And now I'm going to multiply. X times x, which is x squared, and x times 8, which is 8x. Now I'm going to multiply 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 8, which is 24. I have my terms listed in order from the term with the highest degree, which is an exponent of 2, to my constant. Now I'm going to look for like terms. 8x and 3x are alike because they both have an x. So now I can combine like terms and I can get my final answer. F of x is equal to x squared plus 8x plus 3x means 8 plus 3, which is 11x, plus 24 because it doesn't have another term like it. So let me recap. I started with the quadratic equation in factored form. I know I'm in factored form because I have 2 parentheses. I then used 4 arrows to do my multiplication, and then I combined like terms, and I ended with standard form.